There are like thousands of birds at Burger King.
Literally
just
thousands.
Burger King.
Give me
That's
a-
Okay,
Let me do it
on
out
the
the front
Walmart
window.
sign in the bushes over there at the gosh.
Tessa, give me it.
Literally, what is up?
hang on.
You can't see out that window.
Yes,
as
you
good.
can.
Look, y'all, this is scary movie stuff right here.
This is like a horror movie in Williamsburg.
They're
You know what it
everywhere.
is? Hey, you know what it is?
Look right there.
It's the buffalo chicken strips. If you threw one of those suckers out there, they take your arm off.
It is
Oh
psycho.
my gosh, they're swarming!
Like, it's like they want to come in. I'm afraid to stick my hand out the window.
Do not.
Mommy, your window doesn't
Your window
roll
doesn't
up.
roll up.
I want to do it.
Like this guy's got his head out the window.
Why isn't anybody else scared like we are?
Maybe this is a
Here,
regular
give it
occurrence.
back. Not much, John.
Wait.
A Whopper and a
Thank you for choosing Burger King. Mr. Top Full Pork Sandwich today.
No, thank you. Give me a Whopper and one of the fish sandwiches.
Sir, I apologize. We are sold out of the fish right now.
2 Whoppers, I guess.
All right, just give me another Whopper then.
He's got one.
Oh, he's got one. Yeah, I'd love that. That'd be awesome.
So, Whopper and a fish.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
No, that's got it.
$6.46 for rent.
Thank you. I'm gonna ask him if he.
Listen to them.
if
You
he
gotta
knows
ask him
why.
about the birds.
I'm gonna.
They are birds, right?
Yeah, they're birds.
Roll up the window! We're not next to the bushes!
You can hear. They sound like the ocean.
Oh my gosh. They're everywhere.
Oh my gosh, Mom, give sis the thing. Give sis the thing.
Here.
Here, sis. The video up there. Don't put it up there. If they come in the stars.
I ain't getting it out. I'm jumping in the Burger King
You
window.
can't really see.
I'll be hugging it.
It's freaky. Oh, yeah. Remember that movie? It just came out recently. And it had...
Every scary movie does this, Tessa. Like when the bad guy is super evil, when he's like drawing
Roll
in the
up the
evil
window.
powers
Roll-
of the universe.
Okay, guys. This is horrifying. Horrifying.
Tess.
Mm-mm.
Are you window down, Tess?
No! No. This is so weird. Jonathan, roll up the window.
Ryan, hit the wrong
It's
button.
like they land. What kind of birds are they?
Oh my gosh.
Well, here's a Listen. 2.5 minute video of birds. There you go.
Listen.
Listen.